you know Willpower? You know who he is? He's the most famous person in the world. He sits in the back of your mind all the time. He's always telling you, Fish, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you. And you just don't listen to Willpower. You may want to listen to Austin Power. I know you got a craving, and just Will, he's just there trying to help you out. He's saying, you know, you don't really need it. And you're saying, oh, how bad I want one. And that is crave. Craving is trying to help you out and tell Willpower to take a hike. By now you're trying to figure it out, what I'm trying to say, and give you a message. Yeah, and that's the part that a lot of people don't get. Why? They're not interested in anything longer than a short. You don't have to be the kid on the block that gets the first one, because your other person's got one. Yeah, you want to join. I know. Just hold off a little longer. Oh, you'll be happy that you did. Man, I just, you know, I watch videos like I just don't get it, man. I don't get it. Hold off just a little longer. So, check it out. Willpower's telling you that, you know, you can save up, wait. Maybe a sale will come along. Maybe a good bargain will be out there. If no sales are available, then it tells you it may not be the one for you. Maybe a deal on this one. It's called competition. And they don't want to give you a deal because of the competition. DJI retails and they never go on sale. GoPro retails and will go on sale. And the only time you may find a sale is at a store. At Best Buy here in the North American region, I saw the GoPro go as high as $4.99 for the Hero 11. Then it dropped down $50, and then it dropped $50 with the $50 gift card. Then it dropped down to $2.99. Yeah, and if you wanted to get even more of a discount, you had a plus plan, you saved even more. It was lower than you got at the official store. DJI, and never dropped, never went down, always stayed the same. But who wants an old model when a new model is just right around the corner? Ease away. And yeah, when you got a DJI Osmo Action 4 when the GoPro Hero 12 came out. Oh, you get both. I get it. But some of us can't afford to get both. They could get one or the other, or they can't even get one because it's a lot of money still out there. That Willpower's trying to tell you, hold off, Fish. Take it easy. Watch some videos. See if you really need one. You got your old ones. See if you can sell it to get a new one if you really want to update. Make do with what you got. Because what you do is awfully good for me, and you really don't need anything any better. Well, it's time for me to get back to work, get to do some things, get some reviews going, and check some stuff out. Oh yeah, get my cup of joe, have my breakfast, and back to work I go. I said a lot, I did a lot, and I talked a lot, and hope I made a lot of sense to me. Fish, and I see you on the next one.